Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of IKNOWLEE. Yes, I am back with these braids in my head. If you follow me on Instagram, then you would know that I was in Jamaica. I got these braids specifically for Jamaica. I've had them in for about 2 weeks now. You guys know that when it comes to me and like protective styling, I just don't keep it long. It's nothing wrong with my braids, absolutely nothing. They still look cute, you know. They've been through a little bit after Jamaica, but they're still pretty cute. Look at that. And I'm actually going to take them out on camera with you guys. I'm going to show you the proper way to take them out. Like I said, I really wish that I could keep these in longer, but my scalp is itching so badly because it's dirty and I like a clean scalp. And I don't really feel like I can wash my hair with my braids in, simply because of the fact that they're so chunky that I feel like my hair would essentially start coming out of the braids and it would look kind of like really raggedy and not as neat at the roots. I just can't deal with that. Like, I just can't. But I'll be getting them again. So I'm just taking out like the copper, you know what I'm saying, the little decorative pieces. I had in 2 of them. Okay. Oh no. Here it is. So yeah, slide those out. The other ones are strings and they're wrapped around, so they'll just come out when I take them out. I'm so freaking excited and nervous. Here we go. I'm grabbing some scissors. Please don't cut your hair. Please, please, please do not cut your hair. Oh, and by the way, look at all of this new growth. Like, y'all see this? Look at this scalp. It's mainly black, which I'm super, super excited about. But here it is. Whoop. This could be a look. This braiding hair is pretty. Look at my hair. And then she used a rubber band method. So there is a rubber band at the base. I'm actually going to cut that back. Yes! And for anybody that decides that they want to clown me about my color, I am getting my pink retouched very, very soon. So in a couple of videos, you will see my roots dyed pink again. Well, they'll be blonde, and then I'll dye them pink at home. And I got some new shades of pink that I really, really want to try. So I'm thinking about getting these braids maybe like every other month. But definitely anytime that I go out of the country, I'll be getting them. Like, for a fact, I love them so much. And they didn't hurt. Like, look at all this hair. Ooh, I look like Cynthia. Y'all remember her from Rugrats? I love the way she did these too, because she wrapped my real hair like into the braids. So you couldn't even really see the color. And then I just brought some of like this kind of red, hot pinkish hair so that she could do highlights with it. I think she used maybe about four or 5 bags of hair. I didn't have very many braids in my head. I probably had like 20. See, look. This was the color that got braided in. And as you can see, it's kind of pink. And it has an orangey tint to it, but it's also kind of red. I just thought that it was the perfect color. It wasn't quite the color of my hair, but it was like close enough to where it would blend and create these really pretty highlights. So I still have some extra hair, and I'll be using it next time I get to my hair braided. It's a look. Yes, they are out. Hair is feeling free. Is there some hair on my lip? Y'all, my scalp just feels like so freaking good. And I am gonna be talking about maximizing your hair growth in a later video. So let me know in the comments below if that's something that you're really interested in, because I do want to kind of put it out there that like it's okay to still be a fun natural and have healthy long hair. Like, and when I mean by fun natural, like it's okay to do different things with your natural hair, like protective styles or like color. I just think that things have to be done decently and in order. And yes, that's a scripture. Like, I threw that in there. But I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo and deep condition it. And I actually think that for tonight, or maybe even for my style tomorrow, I'll probably just like braid it in 2 braids going straight back, just to kind of give like my roots a rest. I don't know, we'll see though, because I could be lying. But I will be back to show you guys like the final results in the morning, or maybe tomorrow afternoon, because I think I'm gonna go to yoga too. Yeah, so I'm back, and I know like in the previous clip I told y'all that, you know, I was gonna comb my hair and then show y'all the final results. This is the final results, okay? I took it down, I did a twist out, I took it down, I really didn't like it. And for me, it's important for me to like my hair. But like I said, I wasn't really feeling it enough to be motivated to post it on YouTube. So you're gonna get my hair wrapped because it's much cuter, and I just slayed my edges a little bit. I do have, however, a new edge control and an edge brush. So with the braids, remember I was talking about the edge control that the stylist was using? Yes, it's this one, and it's called Style Factor, and it is their Edge Boost. And then I also use these little edge brushes. I actually got this from the makeup store here. It was like $2. I should have got like 4 of them. I only got like 2. So I think I'm gonna go back and buy a couple more of these, because these are like everything. And the scent that I got it in was, I think, like strawberry or something. It'll get these edges right. So I'm sorry that I don't kind of have like a full out style to give you, but I will have some quick styles coming really soon with my hair. And then I'm also going to get my roots touched up, so I'll be styling my hair a little bit more. Hopefully you can accept this as a gift, because I did try today. Make sure that you subscribe and like this video, share with your friends so that they can figure out how to, you know, cut their braids out and actually protect their hair so that it grows. Let me know what other videos you would like to see on my channel down below in the comments. I am sorry for my absence. I will be back. I was on vacation like 3 weekends in a row. I needed to get away. Some of it was work, but a lot of it was just like me vacationing. Like, I just needed to like step back. Here's what it is. So let me go ahead and zoom in, and I will have a tutorial on this makeup look inspired by Jackie Anna. And if you notice a difference in my camera quality, I did go in and change some settings. So let me know if you like this better from what I was putting out before, because, you know, it's all about improving, making things better. That's the goal here. So thanks for watching, guys. I love you. Bye.